Shamima Begum was a 15-year-old London schoolgirl when she went to join the so-called Islamic State. Since it collapsed, she's been held in a refugee camp in Syria, and last year the UK government stripped her of her British citizenship. This was her reaction at the time.
It's kind of heartbreaking to read. I thought it would. My family made it sound like it would be a lot easier for me to come back to the UK when I was speaking to them in bar halls, but it's kind of hard to swallow.
Her baby son has since died. Now the Court of Appeal has said she has the right to return to the UK to contest the decision. A statement from her lawyer said that she had never had a fair opportunity to give her side of the story, adding she's not afraid of facing British justice, she welcomes it, but the stripping of her citizenship without a chance to clear her name is not justice, it is the opposite. Human rights lawyers say all the British citizens now in the camps of Syria and Iraq should be brought back.
What we are talking about is between 15 and 20 British family units containing a large number of children. I think we all know that those children have a right to be brought back and offered the services and support they need to reintegrate and be rehabilitated. And when it comes to the parents, if they need to be prosecuted, that can happen on British soil through British justice.
But there are plenty who disagree, especially when it comes to the case of Shamima Begum.
She took a decision to reject this country, reject our values, and go and support a regime that was at the time, our number one enemy, who's been responsible for the murders of huge numbers of people, including some of our own citizens. She took that decision herself. She rejected our country, everything that we're about. And ultimately, I think the decision that we took to reject her and strip her of her citizenship was the right decision.
The government has said it's deeply disappointed with today's ruling and will appeal to the Supreme Court to stop her return. The obstacles to Shamima Begum coming back to the UK remain formidable, but she has just moved a step closer. Andy Bell, 5 News.